Hi there guys and girls, good evening to every one of you. The show ended early because Gary V is not feeling well. It's so sad for us, especially for me. He keep on doing his masterpiece to show to all his fans, but sad to say, I think he begged to continue the show. Felt so sad, but all of us here understands, despite the fact that it should be longer for us, for as long as I know that this could be a one last time Pure Energy concert. He will give his very best, but sad to say, he didn't make it for the right time to continue his concert. But even though it's still short, we had so much fun for this event. For me, I feel the power, the energy, he still has this kind of the Mr. Pure Energy, as he being called by the universal fans. And for as long as we keep on shouting and we keep on cheering for him, but we couldn't feel the happiness that we're supposed to have for this moment. But deep inside in our hearts, we're still happy because he's still okay right now, even though he's not that totally okay. He still gave us some masterpieces, especially the Look in Her Eyes, some of his signature songs. We are so sad for Gary. I hope Gary V will take good care of your health and you will still catch up for your second night this coming 22, if I am not mistaken. And I hope you will have a good rest and take good care for yourself, and we will pray for you for your recovery, and I hope you will get well soon, okay? So guys and girls, please pray for Gary V. He is one of the great performer here in the Philippines and also in the whole world, okay?